I'm here at the Blue Sword booth at CeMAT Southeast Asia here in Singapore, and I'm here with George. How are you?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Great.
Yeah.
So tell us about Blue Sword. It's a very famous, I know, in China, but first time in Singapore?
Yeah, first time in Singapore. We are a 31 years old company, founded in 1993.
Yep.
And for the over 30 years, we're only focusing on one thing, which is to make tailor-made solutions for our customers, and always providing end-to-end solutions and providing the most latest technique into our solutions for benefiting our customers' intralogistic solution sectors. Yeah, and also with a difference with all other intralogistic companies in China, we are mainly self-developed, self-research, and self-manufacture. And that makes us quite strong and unique for the entire Chinese market. And this time is also the first time we are coming to Singapore to feel the vibe here and to see how the market and looking for some partners and also end users to bring some Chinese wisdom to local customers here. Yeah.
Wonderful. And George, I believe that you not only make the hardware, but you create software as well.
That's right, yeah. So our company has been developed for 30 years. The first 10 years, we actually start from a consultancy company that we do a 3D simulation, WCS, WMS.
Yep.
So we have a very strong algorithms to supporting our intralogistic studies. And we're also the largest e-commerce supplier in China. As you know, the fast food and throughput is requirements is super high. That's require strong algorithms to supporting that. And we are quite famous in terms of multi-shuttle system and also some fast-moving equipment provided in the domestic market here. Yeah.
Wonderful. And what's been the response so far? I know you've been very busy here at CeMAT. I've seen a lot of people wanting to talk to your team. What's been the response?
Yeah, it's been very active. I'm actually very surprised because I think CeMAT is also first time in Singapore, same as us. So we see a very booming market here with huge potentials. And we see a lot of customized, also standardized solutions needs to be implemented for supporting either a small business or large and famous world business. And we have been serving mainly the world famous companies in the world, and so we learned a lot. And we also like to empower the local integrated and local customers to bring our knowledge and technologies to be here and to come here more often and also with a travel-free visa, and we make it very easy for here.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, George, I think what you said earlier is really important. The fact that, as a market leader in China, probably the toughest market for e-commerce, so many countries here in Southeast Asia want to really get up and step up to best in class, and they need specialist help.
I think at this moment, as you can see, the entire market is having a labor shortage, is having a difficulty on managing the manpowers in the warehouse, and also the time to be recruiting skillful engineers also getting more and more difficult. So this is make quite urgent for the local companies, especially large or small companies, to be able to stay effective and make sure their operation can be as smooth, as sharp as their previous, and also be able to keep developed. So I think at this moment, with the last 10 years of fast moving in China, we have done lots of practice in China with either POC or large scale or practice. I think for bringing those knowledge into a Southeast market, we are actually already pre-passed those test experience by bring really mature solutions directly to the end customer, which also, if they are able, if they would like to see any existing site for case sharing, we also welcome to join or to invite them to any of our existing sites for visiting or for learning. And also we also welcome for them to go to our own factory, which is also in Shandong, with around 200,000 square meter, which is also the largest in China. So we can like to do some brainstorming and make some sparking there.
Oh, it's very impressive. I think the capabilities, and I've seen on some of the brochures, you got some really cool equipment, fantastic tech. Maybe talk us through some of the different range of equipment you've got.
Sure. Okay. I think the most interesting one would be the Asian Alphin, as we are part of Asian group. We see lots of floor-loaded issue, and then we are having this new technology that is able to do the mixed SKU loading and unloading, and also together with the Gecko system we introduced this year. It's a very light asset. To compare with multi-shell system, really easy for the customer to invest a very little investment, but to be able to have a very fully automatic solution for case level solutions. I think this is going to be very innovative products in the market, as you wouldn't see any products, any concept similar to if you looking at typical, well-known companies in this show, and so we are very satisfied and also confident with this product, and we are receiving many more orders, and for our people are asking and interesting about this products.
Yeah, it's very impressive, and the versatility. I think I was talking earlier, and it can go into a container as well.
Yeah, it's movable, so it can drive from dock to dock.
Yeah.
So it makes it very flexible for the operator to be using for either a consistent one dock or multiple docks. So I think this is what we are doing. So we're trying to make it more innovative or bring more easy and simple solutions for the customers.
Yeah, ultra impressive, George. Congratulations for you and the team. I think everything that we see on these products, and the massive capability and capacity you've got back in Shandong, and the experience. I think the experience really stands out that you mentioned as well.
Yeah, right. I think it's really like the experience that we learn from China. They would like to share this wisdom worldwide. And so far, we are not only having a project for locally here in Southeast Asia, we also export to US, to the Europe, to any other countries worldwide. So we are eager to explore our learnings and our capability, really do some collaborations to grow together.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations, George, to you and the team. Great to be here at CeMAT Southeast Asia in Singapore for the first time, and I'm sure I'll see you at CeMAT again very soon.
Sure, of course. I'm looking forward to that.
Likewise.
Thanks,
George. Thank you.